What's up, guys? Finally got those lights in. FJ Cruiser lights, Spec-D. It is Chinese, but let's see. I guess Taiwan. But let's see how they hold up. Back to the install of these Spec-D lights from the inboxing now to on my car. They honestly look way better than expected. I was expecting this projector to be white too, but honestly for the price, for them to include even bulbs, that's crazy. But yeah, so I guess I could swap that out. I didn't even bother opening up that housing when I got the light. I just plugged it in and this is what I got. So this is like the least amount of effort you could do, of course, for like installing the headlights. Like I didn't change the bulbs, I didn't do no wiring. Everything was plug and play, as they say. It really is plug and play, guys. And then on top of that, let me show you the signals here real quick. They are sequential turning signals. They weren't working once when the car was off, but once I turned it on, I guess it had enough power to do it. But yeah, let me get a close-up. And honestly, they fit. OEM, like look at the fitment. That's crazy. Honestly, better than expected. Roughly under $400 Canadian, you can have it shipped to your house. That's what happened to me. There is a more expensive version, and they were going for at least $1,000 a head for the pair. And then everyone would dream about that headlight, but then I guess now this Chinese company made it, or like maybe it's not Chinese, but it is Spec-D tuning, so make your judgments. But yeah, man, honestly shocked, blown away. Love the headlight design. I'll get some more shots of it in a bit, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, so the headlights, the only way you can get them running without the middle projector is if it's either on parked, like ready for a remote start, like I have, or that's pretty much the only time. So you're gonna have that middle projector come on, and with the lower, cheaper option that I bought, they are yellow, so it just doesn't look as good in the daytime when you would actually want this halo to be on in the daytime instead of the middle projector. It's actually just gonna be the middle projector, which is just uglier. But yeah, they function pretty good. It's been a couple days now. I even went through a car wash. It's been tested, so looking good.